Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and coming up the back here we do get rear park sensing, your backup camera, we got roof rails as well, we got a manual lift glass. Allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for some air, totally up to you. Mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection. We got a lovely remote start on this vehicle as well, with license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always handy. Cargo cubby holes, hooks and doodads, lights, 12 volt, all that jazz. You got a light for your lift gate as well. I'm just going to click that and it'll turn on here as well. Can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, with storage underneath with a tire pressure sealant kit. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice roast leather and cloth interior, plenty of door space up front, floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, liftgate lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 3,777 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen. We got your phone, voice, media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we got a digital speedometer there. We got my view, trip and fuel, Bronco information, phone, audio, and other settings. To my rear, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, and goat modes, with cup holders and storage. We got more storage here with outlets, wireless charging pad. We got more storage underneath. Our not climate control, engine start stop, auto stop, auto start, hazards, traction, calm screen, tells you a ding time, and your backup camera and front view camera as well, which is always pretty handy. Volume, storage below, on the dash with a garage door transmitter. And looking here, we have our audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, climate controls, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate. We got our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, settings, with your features of the vehicle, owner's manual, towing, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF17675A, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.